It would be great to have someone who could do our work for us, right? Someone to prevent us from making mistakes. Someone to assist with our routine professionally and allow us to devote our time to communicating with our closest people. If only we could get results without wasting our time for nothing. Unfortunately, it's impossible in real life. But wait, light Forex social trading. Spend your time doing what really matters to you.
Hi guys, Piotr here. Another meeting related to the education stuff, and we are going to discuss the risk today. Most probably we are going to have two parts of our meetings in relation to the risk, meaning that right now, right here, the risk warning is one of the best things we can start with. So please bear in mind, trading FX and margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for investors. You can still some orange investment. So please do not invest the money you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Alright guys, so what we are going to discuss today in relation to the education is the thing we may call as a risk, right? And what I'm gonna to discuss today is gonna be my own risk approach. We are going to discuss, without the details today, and the next meeting is gonna be strictly related to the details. So overall, well, the risk when we are trying to trade FX market, probably our own risk is the only thing we can control, right? Meaning we probably cannot move the market, right? So meaning that me, as myself, as Piotr, I can't push euro dollar from 110 to 111, right? So that's the thing I cannot do. But I can control my risk, right? I can have influence into where, either I wanna risk $10 per trade or 5 or maybe 2, right? That's what I can control, right? So let's have a look what we have further when it comes to that presentation. Well, all of us probably with some kind of the interest in trading, all of us, it was like some kind of the dreams that at some point in the future, at some day, I might be insti trader, right? Well, of course you might be insti trader, but in that case, I think it might be good occasion to try to answer yourself if you can handle, right, your risk as limit per day, right? When you are trading on your own behalf, if you have enough power inside your soul to try to limit your overall daily risk, right? In other words, well, let's say that you want to risk 0.5, right, 0.5% or 1% per day, right? So the thing is here, if you are strong enough, in case of, you know, you had 5 trades over the course of the day, all of them were losing trades, you were risking 0.2 per day, so you finally hit 1% of the day. And the question is if you can stop right here, right now, right? So that's the second line here, risk per position. Well, of course, many of us were going through the different Forex forums, different FX articles, many different things related to FX, right? And probably all of us seen some different kind of the risk approach, right? And well, I've been, you know, when I was trying to make my own calculation, yeah, let's try to make 1, 2, 5% per trade as a risk, right? Well, I'm gonna maybe, if I'm gonna be good enough, right? Meaning my winning trades in relation to the losing trades are gonna be in a positive side. Well, I can earn fast enough, right? Well, the thing is that after 2008 financial crisis, the things has changed a lot, and especially on the Forex grant. Well, the changes were so huge. So risk per position, I would say, and probably it's very easy to check, it's very easy to confirm, that when you are going to go through the different FX forums, Forex forums, and you know, all those gurus, all those educators are advising that, well, yeah, let's go, 2% per trade, 5% per, well, whew, after 1 or 2 months, you're trying to find their threads and, well, suddenly, nothing new. They gone, right? Well, with current market conditions, if you want to be a day trader, with current market conditions, it's nothing extraordinary to have series of losses in a row, right? To have a series of losses in a row. Nothing extraordinary. So now, briefly, because we are going to get back into that, but well, let's try to follow those gurus. Let's call them gurus. 5% per trade. And let's say you are a day trader and you had 10 losing trades in a row. And believe me or not, it's nothing extraordinary. When you are trying to make the day trading with 4, 6, 8 pips stop loss, any kind of the news might stop you out very quickly. So 10 trades in a row, losing trades in a row, it's nothing extraordinary. Let's say you are following those advisors from FX forums. Suddenly 50% down. Your account with straight line of calculation is down of 50%. Well, try to make your 11 trade. Try to risk another one to 5%. You're sweating, you are nervous, and most probably you are not gonna follow your plan. You are not gonna follow your trading plan. All right? We are going to get back into that. A risky reward. Of course, life is not white and black. But if you can try to imagine if you can try to visualize to yourself that let's start with the entry like 3R, right? Meaning that if I'm gonna to risk 8 pips, I wanna to grab 24 at least, right? Of course, I'm not gonna to try to get this trading plan out of nowhere. I have to check if, let's say, I wanna be long, really looking to the left side of the chart, if I have a possibility to grab those 24 pips against 8 I'm risking, or even more, if I have some kind of the supply in the meantime, right? If I don't, then boom, that's gonna be my trade of the day, okay? So, of course, again, it's not gonna be black and white, but if the left side of the chart showing me the possibility of 3R or more, well, meaning from the mathematical perspective, the market is on my side. Well, we are going to discuss that as well. Then I'm going to provide some more hints, especially for the day traders. So the last line here, advanced day traders only. Wow. I think it might be very, very, very useful. All right. Well, let's go. So overall risk limit per day. Well, I think no doubt about it, you should set up your own overall risk limit per day, right? Some may ask, Piotr, what the heck are you talking about, right? If I have enough money on my account, I'm gonna to trade the whole day, as long as I'm gonna go with my funds, right? So I'm gonna to try to take all those revenge trades, right? Ask yourself, have you ever set up a loss limit per day for yourself, guys? Let's get back to the beginning, that if we agree that your own risk is the only thing you can control on that market, right? And you are going to risk your own hard-earned money. Would you like to lose all of them during the one trading day? I don't think so. So maybe it's gonna be quite good thing to try to set up our own loss limit per day. Maybe 0.5%, maybe 1%. Piotr, but I have very, very small amount of the money I can use to trade FX. You think that if you are going to risk more than that you are going to earn faster? No, you are going to lose faster. You are going to burn your account. You are going to get out of that business much quicker than you think. Okay? For today, for this first part related to the risk, if you are new, most probably it's gonna be always revenge trading. Well, so yeah, let's double my position. Let's if I was stopped at 0.2 lot, let's make it 0.4 lot. No, let's trade whole lot. I've got quite good possibility to go with the margin trading. Let's make a big one this time. Yeah, for sure I'm gonna be good, right? But guys, we don't have, in most cases, we are not prepared, right, for the plan B when the things are not going our way. And that's why most of the beginners, most of the people who are trying to be like, they can try to imagine to themselves, yeah, I'm gonna be the big day trader, right? But without the plan B, we are failing very, very, very quickly. And yeah, we are burning our accounts like boom, boom, boom. So let's try to make the first commit, right? Let's agree that, okay, I'm gonna to set up my own loss limit per day. I know. Okay, let's agree 0.5 or maybe 1%, right? Well, going back to our dreams that, yeah, one day I'm gonna be insta day trader. Well, if you cannot manage money properly, you are not gonna be insta day trader. No one is gonna hire you. Believe me, there are plenty right now, because of the current central bank's policy, there are plenty of money on the market waiting to be adopted, right? Even if you are very, very small trader, right? You may argue, Piotr, I got a very, very small amount of money to trade on my my own way, right? Okay, come on, but prove yourself first, and then show to the whole market that even with the small amount of the money, prove to the market that you are a winning trader. Okay, you might be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months trading only your own money, but use Light Forex social trading platform, for example, right? And if you can prove to those waiting investors that each and every month you can bring some money back, believe me, they are going to back you. Suddenly, you may have a possibility to use bigger amount of the money, right? Again, for the next period of time, you have to prove that you are a good one. Then, suddenly, you're going to get more money. Think about that, guys. Think about this, guys. That's the huge thing. Anyway, not trying to make it too long. That's the first stream, first video gonna be available in the archive section on the Light Forex channel. I'm gonna to leave you here with your own things. Make your own calculation and check if you can do that way, right? Sometimes risking less, meaning when there is a possibility to win more. There are going to be another stream in relation to the risk, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and see you around, guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye.